At Miller Brewing, they had a problem with the scaffolding system. It was costing them too much money. So we talked to them about the ability of the LOBO system to reduce the cost, to increase the safety, ensure compliancy, and talk to them about their training requirements. So the first step in our process would be to arrive on site, demonstrate the product and prove its concept. From that, we would follow up with a schematic which would provide a solution to the customer with the necessary training that was required. Yeah, Miller Brewing had a cost of $98,000 every year to do one task every quarter. We received an order for about $16,000, which meant that they would get their money back the first time they used it. We had to guarantee that the LOBO system was OSHA compliant, and we had to ensure that our training was fit for purpose. We simply shipped the product to them at their site and delivered the training by going over there and creating a training environment. We also have the use of authorised training partners in the United States